My name is Serene and I am an SMU PhD in Psychology student from the School of Social Sciences. My main research interest is in understanding gratitude and how they affect relationships. I have been studying this topic for the past few weeks with the help of my supervisor, Associate Professor William Tov.
Studies suggest that grateful people tend to be more satisfied with their relationships, and I wanted to understand why. I designed a dyadic study where friends would be brought in to complete surveys about each other. After that, I asked the friends to rate how much they helped each other, as well as how much they burdened each other.
I think he gives more help to me than I give help to him. Sometimes he can ask some question, I just provide my perspective. I don't know whether it's very helpful. I think he overrated me. Most times he's more experienced, so he can offer me advice, so I put 4. I don't think Jun has done anything thoughtless or inconsiderate. Maybe he just is hard on himself. Sometimes in class, I like to volunteer him to answer questions. It was pretty thoughtless, but it was fun. I think he's a nice person. Doesn't do like nasty things to people. It's the intent that is more important. I think we do nasty things to each other, but the intent is always good. So, yeah, so 1.
So have you completed the analysis for the dyad study?
Yeah, so here are the results. So in general, I found that there is not much difference between how much benefits friends report doing for grateful versus ungrateful people. However, if we look at the other side of the graph, it seems that grateful people believe that their friends are doing much more for them than less grateful people.
It's interesting. So these are for benefits, but what about burdens?
So in general, there's actually not much difference between how much friends actually burden grateful versus ungrateful people. But if we actually look at it from the other side, grateful people still believe that their friends actually burden them less than ungrateful people.
It's really interesting. That suggests that grateful people don't necessarily have better friends than ungrateful people, but that it's a matter of how they're perceiving their friendships.
So I guess the key to relationships is actually more of our perceptions rather than what our friends are actually really doing for us.
Right.
Yeah.
From my research, I can conclude that grateful people have better relationships because they tend to believe that they receive more from others. They tend to notice all the smaller and bigger things that other people do for them and appreciate them for it.